Punzinella, Punzinella, let down your weave.
No, me hair just done.
What you mean? How me for come up there then?
Better you find one ladder or build one. And while you're at it, make sure you have the rent money. Yeah, Punzinella no free.
Rent money?
This a luxury tower, not no fairy tale discount.
Luxury tower my foot. I can't 2020 vision you have. Because you're obviously not seeing the same tower I am looking at.
Punzinella no free.
Yaad Vibes TV.